Hi, I'm Jabalaji and this is my demo for book review app. Where we can see here, we can enter the email ID and password to log in. So first to log in, we will create an account here. So let the email be co@edu. Password be 1 2 3 6. Click name and so now we have created a account over here. So it says the account has been created. So click OK. Let's go back and let's check with the Firebase if it's not created or not. So here is the accounts. So this is the one with email, UID and zip. So let's go back and see on the application tool. So it's user@edu and password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's log in. Loads and says OK. Yes, and here we can see the email ID and the name. That's it for the video 1. Thank you.